Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So obviously by the title of this video, you guys already know that I'm doing a little unboxing slash haul from Pretty Little Thing. So I do want to thank them because they did send me all of these items. However, I did pick them, so it wasn't kind of like a blindfold, like, oh my God, let's see what they sent me. So thank you to Pretty Little Thing. I have always loved Pretty Little Thing. So way back before I was even an influencer and I was just, shopping on Instagram, which is what I used to do because I liked, seeing like girls how they would model stuff, and then I would just go and buy it because I thought it looked good on them. But the thing was, I used to always get the wrong size, so it took me a few trial and errors to find out what my size was. Because if you guys have not shopped from Pretty Little Thing, they do UK sizing. So I am a US 6, sometimes a US 4, and then in UK size that US 6 converts to a UK 10. So before, I used to think that a UK 6 was a US 6, and best believe I would get clothes like this small and I'd be like, what the hell is this? But eventually I figured it out. And also there was a size chart, but I never thought to look at the size chart. So if you just go, whatever item you pick and you scroll down, there's a size chart. So basically I'm a size medium, and a 6 or an 8 is a medium in their sizes. Does that make sense? However, a UK 8 is way too big for me, and the UK 6 is perfect. There are a few items on their website that do come with the size like medium or something. So you guys will be seeing that. I was like looking at one of the shirts that I know when I ordered it, it was definitely a medium. But let's just get started. So I really liked, I don't know if you guys follow Yvette XO. I love all her videos. I love all her content, everything. I literally follow her on everything. But she recently just did a Fashion Nova video, haul video, if that makes sense. And I really like how she was like talking to you guys, if that makes sense. And then she would kind of just insert a clip of her wearing the items. And last time when I did a little haul, I kind of just put the whole thing in the frame. So I'm gonna try it the other way this time because I really liked how hers was, because you could see like both videos at once. So also, if I already wore it and then I took a picture, I will be posting or inserting that picture that I posted in here. That way you guys can see what it actually looks on me, aside from like doing a little video of me wearing the item. So I'm gonna just get started. I'm gonna be starting with this t-shirt since it's literally right in front of me. This is just a regular t-shirt. It's actually oversized, and I wish I would have, I knew it was oversized, but I didn't know how oversized it would come. But I wish I would have known, because this one's hella oversized. So I got it in a size medium, and to be honest, this is so big. I can wear it as a t-shirt dress, but I don't really like wearing t-shirt dresses. So when I wore this, I wore it with some shorts, and I'm gonna be inserting it in here. And from the side, I kind of just had it tucked in. I could have gotten away with ordering a small, but this is it. It's not see-through. So I've had the issue of sometimes like when I order overseas and I order colors like this, it's really see-through. This wasn't see-through. And I guess it wouldn't also really matter because I wore it with shorts. But regardless, if you want to wear it as a t-shirt dress, you could, and it wouldn't be see-through. At least I didn't have that issue, and I loved it. For the next item, oh my God, guys. So it's funny because I always tell Lupe, like, girl, where do you get your trench coats? Because she has hella trench coats and I've never purchased a trench coat. But when Pretty Little Thing reached out and they said I could get whatever I wanted, I was like, bitch, I'm about to go look at them trench coats. And I saw this one, fell in love, and I was like, that's the one. That's the one I'm getting. So I'll be inserting the picture in here as well. I did already wear this one. And this is what it looks like. It's super, like, how to explain it? It's not heavy, but it's thick to where you could be outside and it could be chilly and you could just, you'd be warm, if that makes sense. But it's not thick, heavy. You guys ever buy like a jacket and it's so thick that you're kind of like, oh my God, I don't want to wear this because it's heavy? Because I have the issue and I don't like carrying shit around ever. So I love this. Now, I'm 5 feet tall, so I cannot wear this unless I go and get it altered without heels. So in the picture you guys see, and I'm wearing heels, it's literally like barely making it off the floor. So I don't mind getting it altered because I do alter a lot of my clothes because I'm short as fuck. I'm 5 feet. So as of right now, I cannot wear this without heels, but it's not really much of an issue. Like I said, I could just go get it altered. But I like that. So if you guys are tall, you don't have to worry about how tall, if this will be tall enough for you, if that makes sense. Unless you're short and you're like myself, you're gonna have to wear heels or just go get it altered, which is also fine. Now, for the next item, and if I can find the pictures of the models wearing it, I'll also insert those so that way you guys can see what it looks like on the model. And then obviously I'll show you guys what it looks like on myself, because I'm short, you know, the models are obviously taller. So if you don't identify with my body as being so motherfucking short, which I know, I'm short. You can at least see the model and be like, maybe Erika, I don't really identify with your body, but I identify with her. That'll help you. So let me just open this. Okay, this is the tall black tied waist suit jacket. Also, I'll be adding in the description the names of the items, and I'll probably also be linking them for you guys. I don't have like a link with Pretty Little Thing where if you guys use it, I'll get a discount. I'll get a commission. No, I'll just put it there so if you want it, you can literally find it real quick if it's still available. And if it's not, I'll probably just still throw it in there if I can find the link. That way you yourself can see it's sold out. But like I was saying, this is the tall black tied waist suit jacket. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna cut this video again just to insert this little clip. I do want to mention that this is the blazer I was telling you guys about, but do you guys see how long it is? You could get away by using this as a dress as well. Now, the trousers are so skinny and tight that they like are supposed to fit kind of like leggings or like skinny jeans would. That is how it would fit with this. If you guys are like, oh my god, but that's already so long, how are the trousers gonna look? It looked good on the model because those were so like tight on the legs that it kind of just like went with it. But you could basically get two outfits out of this, one by using this as a dress and then using the trousers as you would. And now we can just get back to the video. And let me show you guys that. It's kind of similar to the one I'm wearing right now, which by the way, I need to show you guys my fit because I'm in love. It's basically like a blazer jacket, just like the one I'm wearing right now, but this one's different from the one I'm wearing right now. That's why I ordered it. But the reason I like to have items like this is because I do go to a lot of meetings often, and I don't always like to show up looking a little hoochie. So, you know, I don't always. Sometimes it's okay. I'm just kidding, guys. But I also ordered the pants. Now let me open this because it makes like a lot of noise and then show it to you guys. So basically both of these came together as like, well, I ordered them separately, but they're paired together on the model. However, I have never ordered bottoms from overseas, and this is the first time, and guys, I did not know my sizing. So this is the tall black wide leg slim cuff suit trousers and a size 12, a UK 12. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Is it a UK 12? Yeah. So that's a US size, US 8. And I thought that, oh, well, in the US, if I'm a 6, maybe I can size up because my bottoms are bigger than my upper body. I was like, an 8 will fit. No, sis, an 8 was just huge. So even just looking at it, you guys can see it's hella big. And I was thinking of just taking this to the cleaners and having them alter it for me. Like I said, I do this to a lot of my clothes. So it's not that big of an issue. I'm glad it came bigger rather than smaller. I'm not even gonna throw this one on because guys, it literally slides right off. So I think for this, I could have either ordered a 6 or a 4, or in UK, that would basically be 12, 10. It would be either a UK 8 or a UK 10 because the 12 was way too big, which if you're thinking this is a US 12, no, it's a US 8. So then I should have been like a US 4 or 6 because this thing was just, it's one of those items that kind of runs big, or maybe I just ordered the wrong size. But moving on, the jacket, or not the jacket, but the blazer did fit me. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. And like I said, I kind of feel like these items for myself are very necessary in my closet just because like I said, I go to a lot of meetings, I do a lot of things, or even for like meet and greets, I like to look like professional for my seminars and stuff. So I was like, yes, bitch, we need another one. So real quick, I'm gonna insert a picture of what I'm wearing today in this video so you guys can see it. But shop them up. I'll just say shop them up. Fucking that was a fail. That was such a fail. But discount code Muaerika. So this is that coat that I showed you guys when I did the Shop Official B little haul. And I just wore it with a black bodysuit and some, what are these called, biker shorts underneath. Like I said, I'll be inserting photos so you guys can see exactly how I wore this. And this is so motherfucking cute. I was like, oh my god, I wish I would have worn this for my seminar. But I did have an agreement with Pretty Little Thing, so I just wore what they sent me, which was also super cute. But I was like so in love with this today. I was like, damn, bitch, we gotta film a video. Like, we need to show this outfit. Like I said, discount code Muaerika, you know, don't forget it. But moving on, the last thing that I got from a Pretty Little Thing was another blazer. Oh yeah, okay, so this is a blazer like dress. So I'm gonna just cut this video real quick just to say that I did not iron this dress, which I should have done. I literally just pulled it out of the little bag that I showed you guys when I was filming the video, and I just threw it on. So I'm so sorry, I should have ironed it, but I'll just insert, you know, the model wearing the dress where it's actually all nice. But aside from that, this is it. It is so fucking cute. And this is what I'm saying in the video about how you guys can see the pasties. So it's best if you wear like some type of chicken cutlet or something, or the ones that are silicone. And ignore my mess back there. Like I said, I was opening all this stuff. So yeah, let's get back to it. To be specific, it is called the white knot detail blazer style midi dress. Like I said, this is kind of just something that I feel like these items are essential in my closet, and I'm so fucking happy Pretty Little Thing reached out to me, because I was like, bitch, y'all are coming in clutch. I ordered this in a UK size 10, which like I said is a US 6. But let me show it to you guys. So this is what it looks like. I can tell right off the bat that if I wear this, it's not super see-through, but it'll be see-through enough that if I wear pasties alone, pasties will show through. So I'm gonna have to wear some chicken cutlets with this. If you guys are wondering where I get mine, I either buy mine at Laura's Boutique, discount code Muaerika, or I buy them at Windsor. Laura's sells out of them all the time, so if I can't buy them there, I just go to Windsor, but they do sell them more expensive, just saying. So I prefer to get them at Laura's. But like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys what this looks like with the model and then myself. But I'm telling you, right off the bat, it is kind of see-through. So even for underwear, I would probably have to wear a thong, and it would be like a nude color or something, you know, that wouldn't show through this. But this is so cute, and I was like, oh bitch, we need this in my closet. The other items I haven't worn, only because like I said, the pants or the trousers I can't wear yet because I haven't gotten them altered. And then the top I for sure can wear, but I want to get the pants fixed first before I put it on so I can wear it as a set as it is. But I love these items, to be honest. I was most happiest about was the trench coat, and that's just because I've always wanted to find one, but I had never found one. And then when I was on Pretty Little Thing, I was like, bitch, they have trench coats. And guess what? It's fall and winter's coming up, so perfect. So yeah, I was excited to film this video because I really like watching hauls, especially when I feel like I can identify with the body of whoever's filming that video. Because unfortunately, I do not have the same body as the models that these brands use. And I feel like a lot of the times, like I said, even for Pretty Little Thing way back, I didn't even know how to find my own size, UK size, if that makes sense. So I hope that these videos help you guys, because I feel like some people do identify with my body. And like I said, I can't always, not always, sometimes I can identify with the models. So hopefully if you like any of this, like I said, I'll be linking it down below, and hopefully it's still available for you. Like I said, if you guys click any of the links below, I do not earn any commission from it. It's literally just me trying to make it easier for you to find the item, because I have watched videos where I'm like, bitch, I'm trying to find this and it's not coming up, but some of the girls will provide the links, and then I just click on it and I'm like, how the fuck was it that I could not find this? So with that being said, I don't want to make this video any longer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to, drop it down below in the comments. I always try to reply to you guys. May not reply right away, but I do get back to them. And with that being said, if you guys have not followed me on my Instagram, please do so. My Instagram is Muaerika18. Sis, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, right here, down below. Click the notifications. Turn those on, drop a comment, let me know if you liked this video, let me know if you didn't, let me know what you want me to change to make it better for you, and I'll try to do my best. Because before, I know I didn't add details a lot, and now I'm always trying to add the names of products or the links so you guys can find things, just to make things easier for you guys. So let me know what, I don't mind, what is it called, constructive criticism. I actually find it very helpful for myself, just so that it makes, viewing easier for you guys. And so with that being said, please let me know anything you would like me to change, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.